Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 1 over 2 divided by 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have two divisions and we have to work from left to right. So first 8 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And divided by 4. So we have 8 times 2 divided by 4. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 8 times 2, which equals 16. And we have 16 divided by 4. And 16 divided by 4 is just 4. So our final answer to this problem is just 4.